Hey there, Brent Boyer from Adam. So let's talk divorce. Wanted to do an update on a video I had done a little while ago, the Jay Cutler and Kristin Cavallari divorce, a celebrity divorce case. So there's been some more information in the news. Wanted to update on that. And don't forget to click like on the video. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That would help us out a lot. So the latest is that Jay Cutler is now making a claim that he is pursuing his share of his wife's jewelry business, that he's requesting half of that business in their divorce case. And they've only been married for 7 years. From what I understand, though, the business was created during the marriage. So it would be reasonable to say, well, if I'm married and my spouse has created this company during our marriage, that I probably have a claim for half of that company when it comes time to the divorce. So it seems like a reasonable claim to me, given the situation. I know they had worked out some things with custody of their kids, and it is only a 7-year marriage, but it sounds like the business was started during that marriage. And if you remember, Jay Cutler, of course, was a former NFL quarterback. Chicago Bears is what he's known for. And Kristin Cavallari had a bunch of different brand names. She had a TV show, and they have 3 kids together. But yeah, it sounds like, according to TMZ and to the articles I've seen, that this business was started during the marriage. It was called Uncommon James. And it's actually not a jewelry company, it's a lifestyle company, basically. So it sounds like that's the latest here. That's the update, is that there's this discussion and negotiating over Jay Cutler wanting half of this company, and Kristin Cavallari resisting that, claiming that it's her company and that it should not be something that he would get part of in the divorce case. And also, from what I've been seeing, there is no prenuptial agreement, so there's nothing to exclude or include things that maybe were prior to the marriage, or things that happened during the marriage, or anything dictating how things are to be divided up for something like this company that was created during the marriage. So and if you remember some of the history here, Jay Cutler, Kristin Cavallari had gone on vacation with their kids, and they were in the Bahamas when the quarantine started, when the pandemic hit. So they ended up extending the vacation for a few weeks, stayed in quarantine for 2-3 weeks on this basically deserted island in the Bahamas, and then eventually made it back to Nashville. Shortly after that, they announced that they were getting divorced in May of 2020. And then, according to court documents, they had announced their separation as of April 21st. However, Kristin Cavallari announced that they were done as of April 7th, which was right after they got back from the Bahamas. And according to Us Weekly, things had just broken down. They had both accused each other of wrongdoing, of cheating, but nothing specific, and things just weren't working anymore for them. That was the news out of Nashville. And then also the history had been here that Kristin Cavallari had started looking for a separate place to live back in 2019. She was looking for her own house, and that Jay Cutler had not really objected to that. So there was trouble even back into 2019 between these two. And so that was the update. Thanks.